Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a real client logo design project. In this video, you will see the everything, the design brief, mind mapping, sketching, presentation and more. For those of you who don't know me, I am Atiqur Rahman. I have been designing logos since 2019 and I upload videos on logo design tips and case study every week. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for regular updates. So, let's jump right in. First things first, the logo design brief. Earlier, I sent a detailed questionnaire to my client to understand their business deeply. After receiving the responses, I prepared this design brief you see here. The company sells high-quality ready-made homes for families, couples and individuals. Their target audience is aged between 30 to 50 years old with a mid to upper mid income range. As you know, homes are essential for safety and security, so the logo needs to reflect trust and reliability. The owner of this company, Mr. Richardson, is a key part of his business. So, he named his business after his last name, Richardson. Since his name plays a big role in the brand, I decided to generate logo ideas using his name and the first letter R. And my client really loved this direction. I typically sketch over 30 ideas for a logo project. Then I narrow them down to a short list of 3 to 5. From there, I select the top 2. However, in this project, since we already had a clear direction, I focused only on ideas using the letter R. Now it is time to make the shortlist. All the ideas were created the brand's personality in mind, but not all of them work, and that's fine. After reviewing all the sketches, finally I decided to go with this one. It features the letter R, and I used 2 ropes to shape the R. I added this line to balance the icon, representing a chimney for the ventilation. As for the window, I was unsure about it at first. Without it, the logo felt incomplete, but adding it made the design feel generic. So I replaced the window with a door, which gave the logo balance and a unique look. I also carved the top of the door to add a more premium feel. These elements made this concept the best reflection of the brand's personality. Since the logo is simple, the digitization process was straightforward. I used 2 hexagon shapes to create it. First, I drew a hexagon while holding the shift. Then I rotated it 90 degrees. I set the width to 30 points and increased the stroke thickness to 10. Afterward, I drew a line to connecting the 2 corners, made a copy of the shape, enlarged by 10 points, and placed the larger one in the center of the original one. Next, I drew a line along the left side, deleted the extra parts, and expanded the strokes into shapes. I made sure the height and width were equal to maintain balance and stability. That is the key requirement of this logo. I researched to find the right typeface for this brand. We had already decided on a simple, bold font, and I ended up with choosing this one. It conveys the right tone for the brand. I avoided using overly vibrant colors. Instead, I opted for muted tones to give the brand a professional image. Now it is time to present the logo to the client. Always remember, clients are not designers like us. While you can imagine how the logo will work in real life, clients need to see it. So, always use high quality mockups that accurately represent their business. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.